Now we'll discuss an important concept of image formation by multiple reflections by inclined mirrors. Here, if we are having two mirrors which are having the reflecting faces facing each other and inclined at some angle theta, and in between the two mirrors M1 and M2, if we place an object, we know well that two images are obtained in the two individual mirrors. One will be I2 and other will be I1, which are located at the same distance behind the mirrors at which the object is placed in front of the mirrors. But here, this image is obtained because when a light ray incident onto this mirror M1, it is reflected in such a way that it appears to be coming from the image I1. And when this light ray will again incident on mirror M2, then this image I1 will act as an object for mirror M2 and it is reflected in such a way that it appears to be coming from a point which is exactly at the same distance behind mirror M2 at which this I1 is positioned in front of mirror M2. So this point can be written as another image I3 which is produced by the mirror M2 by considering I1 as an object. Similar to this, I2 can be considered as an object for mirror M1 and another image can be produced. So here we can write, due to multiple reflections, several images are produced by inclined mirrors if inclination angle of mirrors is theta. To calculate the total number of images produced, we first find the numeric value of 360 by theta, and then we discuss two cases. Case 1 is if 360 by theta is an even integer, then we write the number of total images obtained will be, the total number of images obtained will be 360 by theta minus 1. How the formula comes, right now it is beyond the scope of these junior physics lectures, but in higher physics or advanced physics in high school level, you will be able to derive this formula at your own level when we will study advanced analysis. Here, like for example, like if theta is equals to 90 degree, this implies the number of images can be written as 360 by 90, which we know it is equals to 4 minus 1, as 360 by theta in case of theta 90 is 4, so number of images will be 3. And another case 2, here we can write if 360 by theta is an odd integer, then in this situation directly we can write number of total images obtained will be, a number of images can be directly written as 360 by theta only. So always remember, if 360 by theta is an even integer, we use the formula for number of images as 360 by theta minus 1. Here we are subtracting 1 because in case of this as an even number, last two images are overlapped. And if 360 by theta is an odd integer, we use the formula of total number of images as 360 by theta only. If it is not an integer, I'll suggest you should not bother about the case, as that will be beyond the scope of our junior physics section that we'll talk later when you'll study high school physics.